Okay, so you're looking for a good workers' compensation lawyer. Now, how do I go about getting one? And this video is for educational purposes only. So, when looking for a good workers' compensation lawyer, one of the easiest to do is to go to Google and type in workers' compensation lawyer or work injury attorney lawyer so that you can start to go through some of the lawyers on that page. And what I suggest that you do is number one is how do I know that this lawyer on this page is the absolute best one for me? Um, Here's the thing is just because they're number one on the Google screen doesn't make them the top lawyer. There's several things that you should do to investigate to see if this lawyer is the best one for your situation. Number one is I would look at their reviews. See if there are any reviews on Google about them. What are some of the people saying about them? How they handle their case. Number two, I would go to their website and I would see about some of the, possibly about what clients are saying about them in their reviews. I would definitely look there to look for an attorney in that way. Um, I would see if I can meet with them. I would call them up and see if you can meet. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to, just because you're meeting with an attorney doesn't necessarily mean that you have to hire that attorney or you have to pay for that process. Well, what you want to do is when you meet with them, you're not paying them up front. They're listening to your claim, what you have, and they're seeing that if the two of you can work together to get the benefits that you're looking for. So you want to, like I said, go to Google, look at reviews, look at the reviews on their website. You want to, call them up and talk to them and possibly and potentially go down and meet them so that they can go through your case. Those are some of the easiest ways to do it. There are some things that are a little bit more difficult that you can flesh out and go and look. But I find that doing those three are the simplest, and you can cut through a lot of the tape just by doing those, but just looking at the reviews. And also, if there's any way to look at their settlement cases, the cases that they've won. So if you can look those up, those are things that will be very helpful to you in looking for an attorney.